Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to use Messenger without Facebook. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Messenger app. So here it is. And we need to know that we cannot use Messenger without having Facebook account, but what we can do is simply deactivate it without deactivating Messenger. So let's get into this three-line icon on the top left and click on settings icon over here. Scroll down and click on personal details. Let's click on personal details and click on account ownership and control and click on deactivation or deletion. Choose your account and click on continue after selecting deactivate account. Enter your password and click on continue. Now give the reason why you are deactivating and click on continue. Again, click on continue and over here we can see continue using Messenger option over here. Simply turn this on and click on deactivate my account. Afterwards, your Facebook account will be deactivated and you can still use Messenger. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.